Saturday has seen the warmest day of the year so far for many of us in the UK, and that's going to be eclipsed again most likely during the course of this week. 20 degrees the high at Force 13 HQ and 19 at Heathrow, and temperatures not too far from 20 elsewhere in many parts of England and Wales. The low temperatures are in some of the places that got the high temperatures today as well. A little bit frosty down in the south of England, 3 or maybe even 2 Celsius. The same in parts of Wales and the Scottish Highlands. Those were the lows this morning. Well, frost is not going to be on the cards anytime soon, thankfully, and this is why. So as we go into the later part of Saturday evening, maybe a little bit of sporadic rain showers in the southern part of England before this band comes through Sunday morning, affecting Ireland and the southwest of England and Wales, and as you can see, bringing some milder conditions with it. Behind that, in England and Scotland, temperatures down to around maybe 5 or 4 as the low in Scotland. So looking into Sunday, you can see rain spreading across most of the country. It's going to be a washout for many areas. The worst day on the forecast, really, by most people's standards. The northern part of Scotland is probably the only place that's going to get away with any good weather. 15 degrees the high up there is probably going to be the warmest place in the country tomorrow. Later on in the evening, a little bit of rain remnants behind that band into the early hours of Monday morning, but it will affect Scotland worse than anywhere else, and Cumbria by the looks of things, maybe a little bit here and there in Wales. But behind that, in England and southern Wales, it's looking pretty good. Clear skies overnight, low temperatures of 7 or 8. As you can see, heavy rain again lingering on to the western side of the country there. Into Monday, it will affect mainly Ireland, Northern Ireland, perhaps the Outer Hebrides. The rest of the British Isles is looking fairly good. England in particular, high temperatures of 15 in the southeast. You can see with that rain, it's going to be bringing a lot of wind over with it as well. So areas that it does affect the most will probably see some strong winds, mainly for Scotland, but all of the Irish sea coast looks like it's going to have a pretty hairy night on Monday night. Coming into Tuesday morning, southeastern part of England gets away without any rain showers by the looks of things, and you can see those winds there getting to gale force in some areas, particularly on the Irish sea coasts. Looking into Tuesday, as you can see, rain slowly diminishing throughout the day, but it will be staying with us for many of us along the western coast of the UK. The south and east getting away with it, mainly 18 degrees down there in the southeast of England under potentially clear skies. So all of that rain really fizzling away Tuesday night into Wednesday. Cloud cover is still a little bit high in some parts of Wales and northern England in particular, but other parts staying fairly clear. Low temperatures aren't looking too bad. Under the cloud, much warmer, above 10 degrees. Under those clear skies, a little bit cooler, but no frost danger. So looking into Wednesday, somewhat mixed in terms of cloud coverage, but most of us should see at least some sunshine on Wednesday. But in the southern and eastern part of England again, we're looking at high temperatures potentially reaching 24 Celsius in the southern part of England and over into East Anglia. That cloud clearing away again on Wednesday night, coming into Thursday, which for most of the country will be generally the best day. We'll get onto that shortly. Overnight Wednesday night, you can see clear skies for most of us and staying mild as well, which certainly for me is a win-win. And winds are light there too. Coming Thursday, you can see that band that's really fizzling out throughout the day. Never really makes it to Great Britain, but will be affecting Ireland with some sporadic rainfall and also northwesternmost Scotland. But for the rest of us, it's looking like a fantastic day on Thursday. It is long range, so that could change. In terms of timing, it may end up being that Wednesday's a better day than Thursday, but both days for most of the country are looking good, high of 23. You can find more updates on the Force 13 UK and Ireland Facebook page.